हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं इंडिया का जो ट्रेड फेयर है, इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड फेयर, जो कि 2024 में हुआ था। 14 नवंबर से 27 नवंबर तक इसका डेट था 2024। तो ये सारे हॉल है भारत मंडपम में, जो न्यू दिल्ली में है। वहाँ पर ये सारे हॉल बने हुए हैं, 10, 12, 1, 2, 1 से लेकर के 14 हॉल वहाँ पर टोटल बने हुए हैं। ठीक है। उन हॉल में जो मैनेजमेंट था वो इस तरीके से था कि यहाँ पर हॉल नंबर 1 में झारखंड से रिलेटेड जो भी चीज़ें थी वो यहाँ पर रखी हुई थी। ठीक है। हॉल नंबर 2 में मल्टी प्रोडक्ट थे, हॉल नंबर 3 में बिहार और उत्तर प्रदेश के प्रोडक्ट थे। तो इस तरीके से अलग अलग फ्लोर है वहाँ रखे थे, अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट की चीज़ें थी। टैक्स पेयर सर्विस, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ऑल हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर के भी प्रोग्राम थे वहाँ पर। असम, दिल्ली, राजस्थान, हरियाणा, उत्तर प्रदेश, यूपी, कर्नाटक, मणिपुर, मेघालय, मिजोरम, त्रिपुरा, आसाम, इन सब के प्रोडक्ट वहाँ पर थे जो वहाँ पर फेमस हैं। तो ये हॉल वाइज सामग्री है पूरी, आपको डिटेल में पहले ही स्टार्टिंग में बता दी जाती है कि कौन से हॉल के अंदर क्या क्या चीज़ें आपको मिलने वाली है। वहाँ से आप नॉर्मल रेट से, सस्ती रेट में आप क्या है शॉपिंग कर सकते हैं। और वहाँ पर एक दुकान वाले से भी बात हुई थी मेरी कि आप जो इस यहाँ पर दुकान लगा रहे हैं तो आपका रेंट देना पड़ता होगा गवर्नमेंट को, लेकिन वहाँ पर उन्होंने बताया कि हम रेंट नहीं देते, हमें गवर्नमेंट 400-500 रुपये पर डे के अलग से देती है। तो इसलिए ट्रेड फेयर में अच्छे सस्ते दामों पर सामान है मिलने के चांसेज हैं वो रहते हैं। तो ये आप क्राउड देख रहे हैं जो ट्रेड फेयर की है। और दिस इज़ द मशीन दैट इज़ यूज फॉर सिलाई, दैट सिलाई मशीन प्रोडक्ट। हेयर यू कैन सी different types of cloth are made by this machine. This is company Signar, the Signar company machine that totally they are giving demo to customers and to purchase that product, and also they are giving pamphlets and you can verify that company, that is Signar's a very old company, and different types of machine are used for different types of cloth making. That is Singer, name is Singer. And after that we can see sports types cloth, like that winter cloth also there. Jacket start from 1500 and track pant also from 2500 and others. So you can see the crowd, that area inside the sports sons. Here also you get a big discount. Here you can see massagers, that is overall health massager. 10-minute health massager from this machine is equal to 6 kilometer running. That is very important. You can see that machines and that lady are taking exercise on that machine, that running or weight lossing machine like that. So there are weight lossing machine starting from 10,000 and full body massager machine starting from 1,30,000. This is also a lifestyle product. Here we can see ice bag, silicone bottle brush, packet sealer, like that small item which are used in home. Here you can see home kitchen items like cleaner, different types of cleaner, then VCM machine, body massager, and different types of massager that are used for body. You can see the Kio International, that is the company name, Kio International company. Here different types of product are available on their platform. BP monitor, different types of chair, that you can see that lady there some a seat like that designed to massage your back pain or back part of your body. So you can take massage and take demonstration for these machines and enjoy that how you feel that massagers and different types of massagers. And after that, this is also types of machine, USA product, different types of machine. And this is leg massager. You can put your leg in that machine and you easily get your body relaxed. That company name is USA popular brand. And after that you can see DS Door India. This is also a very attractive dual design. You can see company name DSWD Group, and here we can see the design of wood, and also there one rate also given. This is bed placed there, and this is the kitchen area, that design internal kitchen module, and bed also design in that area. So this is the wood designing that perform that area, and I also show you the rate of that area, but that is not our priority. And that are the different types of machine that are used for cutting vegetables. So small vegetables like cutting there with these machines, hand machines, that are very useful for female that are enjoying kitchen and doing work in kitchen. That is very popular types of machine, and different types of cutting are done by this help of these machines. So you can also purchase such type of machines or tool for females that are working in your kitchen area. So that is very operation of that machine are very simple. And also again we are moved to next soap, that is also full body massager machines of different company, and people are taking a complete demo for that machines. That is Sobco machine like that, and we ask the rate of that machine starting from 1,30,000 or 1,45,000. And one machine also there for weight loser, that is start from 10,000, that is vibration machine. Here we can see different types of bag with wheel, that is back side of bag also there, and trolley bag also there. The starting range of such type of bag with suitcase briefing is start from 6,500. This bag is showing like that. I ask the price of that bag, black bag, that price is start from 6,500. And again some other types of bag also there, but the rate of the bag is very high. So but the quality of bag also very important. And after that you can see again, that is also full body massager, that is Spine Korea, that is company name, medical instrument provided by that company, that is Spine Korea. And male and female both are enjoying full body massager. And put here bag also in this seat. We can see that the person is totally complete taking rest on that machine. And machine here all 10 types of different types of mode to give full body massager on senior citizen persons. Relax at home, relax on chair, you can take full body massage, and to 10 to 15 minutes. And after that is miracle bricks. You can design such type of miracle bricks at your home with help of your miracle bricks. That is complete set is start one set is 101 piece is 500, and another set is 1000 rate, that is blocks and mind developed. I think that is very useful for children and that are under the below age of 7 years. You can purchase that types of item for children, and the children also enjoy such type of things at home. And there we can install one type of cell only. This is homemade items from Assamese ladies like that, or we can see that this is Telangana product. These sarees or these cloth are you seeing, that is SHG group, the self-help group of female workers of Telangana state. So you can see such type of material. Then again that is Saras. I think that small powders like oil powder. There are also different types of soap, that is Tamil Nadu soap, and another side is Manipur soap, that is Riksha Vaksi. SHG group, all are SHG group. SHG group means female worker are make a group for self-help group, and they develop or create a product and design a product for sale. And the designing of these product and finishing of these product is very attractive. And after that you can see that is Telangana group, and you see here different types of cloths and design of that cloths. Again side is Tamil Nadu, and after that you can see Madhya Pradesh also shop there. Madhya Pradesh clothing pattern is there. There Karnataka SHG group female. There you can see handloom and bed sheets for a different state, that is Karnataka. And after that we are move towards Telangana SHG group, that are you are seeing that clothes are from Telangana SHG group. And after that we are going to Pondicherry different types of material that are used for ornaments of females. The product you are seeing that this is Pondicherry female groups. And after that Assam female groups, that is Mili Juli SHG groups. You can designing and finishing of these product is very attractive. You can see, and you don't think about the finishing of these product. And this item is used for water storage, and the finishing of this product is very useful and very attractive. After that you can see there Kerala, Pondicherry, Andhra Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura, Nagaland, Tamil Nadu, all types of state and their product, famous product, and their designing also available on that area. So you can feel the diversity of India on that trade fair. And this is from the Mizoram group, Mizoram SHG group, Mizoram SHG group nearby Assam SHG group also there, and Madhya Pradesh, that is Himachal Pradesh, Manipur Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh also. That is I think Manipur area, that decorated plants or cloth are, that is Arunachal Pradesh, that is peace. Arunachal Pradesh, Tamil Nadu are ornaments for females, and that is Pondicherry ornaments, that is Meghalaya clothing there. You can see that types of clothing from Meghalaya state. So these are the states, that is northeast, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, like that. And that is customers at that place is from different place are enjoying the diversity of India and purchasing product. This is outside area of Bharat Mandapam. Here you can see around your one hall is hall number 14, one hall is hall number 16, hall number 14, 13, 11, 10, 9, 1, 2, like that. And this is another place inside the Bharat Mandapam, and that is hall number 14, I think hall number 14 or hall number 6. Inside that there are paintings, and this is area where Rajasthan, New Delhi, and Uttar Pradesh, Bihar area, like that, their product are seen by shoppers and purchased by customers. I ask one shoppers that what is the rent of one day shop inside the Bharat Mandapam. They tell that that is not we are not giving money to government. Government give money to us 400 and 500 per day to sell product there. So that is very good that government also giving product area and space and material for sponsoring. So I think that is the reason for giving discount such type of trade fair, and very high amount of shopping is done. I also purchased from there. One jacket is from 1000. This is our very traditional khadi udyog, like that they are improving, they are teaching to young people how khadi udyog work, how you are create cloth or how you are generate cloth from that khadi, or I think that is the best place to learn the khadi, and this Punjabi guys are learning from this senior citizens or respected sir to how you generate that cord or like that this earn by using khadi, or we can see that is the like a rui. So that is another very interesting part of that area, and people also taking video and taking memory of such type of place and enjoying that area. And he also very attentively showcasing their talent to that Punjabi guys, how we are generating clothes by khadi. This is also another machines. Here also one person's giving instruction how we use machines for khadi and how we generate or we can create a cloth with help of khadi. So you can see that is the complete section of how cloth are generated with help of khadi and like that. And after you can see that is the boy, and they are taking video and photo for that same memories. And after that we move to another place that here one child is enjoying khadi memories. And last and not least, that is very attractive item that I see in that place. Here this person design a item like that. If we fill water inside that item and putting air inside that item, he gives sound like a words, a very sweet sound. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, और इस तरीके के वीडियो के लिए आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। मिलते हैं किसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। धन्यवाद।